Okay.
Go. This last bale I'm doing, this is the only last bale. I know I'm putting hay in there. It's just going to help me get it out.
Okay, I want to pull this one out.
Okay.
This one looks like a good big hay.
Here.
A little more hay in there?
No, just hold it, Phoenix. Now there's a good little bale.
Okay, here's our first one.
All right.
Now look at this. Oh, wow.
Cool.
This is really packed. Pretty good, I should say.
That is a good little bale.
Now
Now you can take them down, put them in the barn.
you could just use, hey, if you could just use these for rabbits.
Let's go look at your baler.
Maybe you could do
Now you got to clean that all out.
anything like,
Push it out.
I know I didn't tie it, but I'm just gonna see I got leftover hay.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna use the pickup, so we got to feed this to the horses out here.
Yeah.
Well, don't put no more.